Okay. So now it's 75 and 0. It will take the average 38, and then it will say that you have 38% completed for the current sprint. Okay, the overall progress is for all the sprints, like whatever tasks you have completely from sprint 1 to sprint 15, whatever tasks you have, and then the unplanned tasks you have. So that overall tasks percentage is shown here, and this is for only the current sprint. Okay, so there are two types of security groups. Okay, one is the auditors and one is the stakeholders. Okay, so auditors is like they can see everything. Like auditor rights will be given. Like there are some 200 to 300 projects which we have. Okay, I'm auditor for this project, SIT audit project QDR. So I can see everything related to this project. Okay, if I am the stakeholder, I will be only able to see those which are released. I will share with you like how you can change that stakeholder rights to auditors and auditors to stakeholders. Okay? But yeah, so two groups are there. One is stakeholders and one is auditors. So auditors have the admin rights for their projects, and stakeholders will have minimum rights, like they have their access is restricted because since it audit, right, there will be some sensitive data in production. That's the reason actually we are not going to give them the complete access. They're only able to view things which auditors say that okay, yes, this is something which we can release to the stakeholders levels. Else they will not be able to see anything. Okay, so now this page is accessible by only auditors or stakeholders. This page is what the audit exchange. The page can be accessed by stakeholders and auditors, but the only thing is stakeholders will have access to this page only when the auditors give the access. Like I can say, okay, there is this audit projects. Okay, now if I go to that project and if I go to access control, there is this access control over here. Okay, so these are the accesses which are given. Like for example, let's say someone is having access to audit project and then issue register. He is not having access to audit report. Okay, so once he logs in with the stakeholder rights, he will be only able to access audit project, audit issue register, and then RFI portal. He will not be able to access audit report. Okay, this particular page, which is audit report, he will not be seeing any project under this. It will be no results found only for him. I am able to see all the projects here. He will not be able to see any project because he is not having audit report access to any of the projects. Okay, if you want access to any project, you can go from here. Okay, yes, Sirisha is a state not having access to any of the projects. I want to give her access to particular project. For example, let's take this project. So if an auditor goes inside this and if he adds your name here and if he gives all the access to you, then only you will be able to access this particular project only. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Please continue.
You guys, Sirisha.
Yes, Sirisha, please continue.
Where is the Sirisha?
Maybe she left, I think so.
Okay. Yeah, Sirisha. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. So, if you go to this conference page, right, so you'll be having this blockers, notice, potential concerns. Okay, these three are really simple. There is nothing much in these three. So I'll just repeat once again so that it will be easy for you to remember. So for blockers, notice, and potential concerns, okay, all three will be like to notify something to the auditors or stakeholders. Okay, if there is a notice which needs to be given, or if there is a blocker you have found in auditing for that particular project, or if there is an issue in particular project, you will have to raise it from the audit exchange. So the basic functionality for this is just you will be adding blockers. Okay, you will be adding one blocker, like the blocker needs to be corrected by something like, okay, one. I'm telling that the blocker name is test blocker. So you're going to save it. What is going to happen is the blockers will be saved and you will be able to see that blocker over here. So these blockers will be visible to all the stakeholders and auditors. There is no restriction on blockers. Same with notice. So if you want to notify something, what you're going to do is you just count the report and say it will be there. Okay, so for blockers as well, what we are going to do is we are going to add on for notice. What you are going to do is we are going to add on notice. Okay, so the notice owner is this for the owner notifying. Or you can say that yes, this you are notifying, but you are going to give this owner so that this particular owner only can close it. Okay, test notice, same thing, like you're going to notify something, the particular notice will be visible for all the stakeholders and auditors, so there is no restriction here as well. Okay, for potential concerns, let's say that yes, this particular project is having a concern. The concern is like the must-do will be, there is a rule, you can say the assessment which is done needs to be assessment check date. Okay, this is existing check dates needs to be verified. Okay, and this is a concern. We are raising it as a save, and you see that there is a for this particular concern, there is an issue. Like for example, I see that a concern is there that a rule for this SIT or a project QTR is going to depreciate. So we are going to raise it. So for that, if you say that okay, we have raised it, if you want to convert it to issue, or so you can do that in flow. So particular issue will be created over here. Okay, so the basic, you can say the basic functionality or idea over on the exchange is nothing but to notify the auditors and stakeholders on what is going to happen, what are the different concerns the particular auditor or stakeholder is facing, and you are notifying it. That's it. Okay, apart from this, whatever we have on the exchange part, the Springboard. The Springboard is completely different. We have actually separated it from our audit exchange landing page. So this is particularly for the stakeholders to track the daily status and all. Okay, so RFI, I will come to that later. So for confirmed issues, okay. So for example, there is an issue which is created for this particular audit project. Okay, and we are seeing that okay, that issues needs to be added in the exchange. Okay, for that what you are going to do is you are going to add a new exchange from here. And if you want to see all the issues, you can see from here. Okay, so this is also like this is also like you will have to give some mandatory information and you're going to save it. After saving, what you're going to see is okay, this issue has been created for this project. Okay, so everything is related to particularly audit only. So if you see that there is some issue while auditing, or if there is a document mismatch, or if there is anything which is being created but not looked into. So all those issues will be created over here. Okay, so there is nothing much in audit exchange per se. So the only thing is we have created one blocker, one notice, right? So the only thing is we'll have to note the database. Okay, so what database we are going to use is this MySQL, but we are going to use it from SQL pad. Okay, I'm going to give this as well to you both. Next, we should talk to you.
Yeah, just now she left.
So this is the SQL part. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
ps.com. The password I will share separately with you both. Okay. Oh. So we have created one.
మ్యూట్ లేదు ఇప్పుడు.
పర్వాలేదు, ఇది ఇక్కడ కాన్ఫరెన్స్కి వెళ్ళి అక్కడికి చేస్తుంది కదా, డీటెయిల్స్ అన్నీ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి. ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ డీటెయిల్స్ అని.
ఓకే,
ఓకే, అవి తీసుకుంటే మనకి బాగుంటుంది. ఏమంటారా పప్పును క్యారెట్ ఫుల్ అనేది కనపడుతుందా? ఆ మాత్రం ఉంటుంది, ఆ మాత్రం లేకపోతే ఎట్లా? వెళ్ళే 10 సంవత్సరాలు అయింది, 10,000 కొడుకున్నాడు.
Okay, so this is the notice which we have raised. Yeah, so test notice 1 is the notice which we have raised just now. So you can see it in the notices table. This similarly is for the blockers, right? Whatever what we have created. Okay. Similarly for the blocker is the one which we have created just now for this particular project.
ఈ నోటీస్ అనే టేబుల్ దాని మీద ఆర్డర్గా రాస్తుంది డిసెండింగ్ లిమిట్ మీద, అంటే ఒకటే తీసుకుంటుంది లిమిట్, అంటే ఒక రికార్డు.
Test. Okay, access ID is 4.
ఇది కూడా
Similarly for the
కెన్ పింగ్ దోస్ 2 queries అన్నాడు.
print, right?
కెన్ యూ షేర్ దోస్ queries అన్నాడు.
Master.
Sirisha, can you please ping that queries in the chat?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So this is the sprint which we have created today. And from 19th. We have created 2. Sprint 14 and sprint 15 we have created. One is from 7 to 18th and the other one is 19 to 20th. Okay, so these are used in, and okay. So the other thing is, I'll give you this, and the other thing is just browse through these tables, okay? You're understanding more and more.
Yeah.
So what else is notice and potential concerns, right? So potential concerns we haven't created anything. It's created one assessment. example. So it's so assessment check data is the one which we did just now. So let's really open. Okay. So these 3-4 are the tables which we used just now for the data store. So we have also created one task, right, inside the sprint which we have created. That is sprint 14. I think we created one. Yeah, so sprint 14 we have created one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check this key activity. Start. Sprint, let's put sprint number 6.5 equals to 6775. So we are going to get all the activities which are present for this sprint in this sprint. Okay, you have the two key activities. One is test and the other one there is a test. Okay, you have created two and assigned. So you can also see the status over here. Priority status ID is 4 and 1. So for status as well, like we have table start from state key activity status. What exactly is this status ID for? Status ID 1. So you can get it from key activity status. So 4 is work in progress 75 and 1 is student. So if you go and cross check once, you see that work in progress 75 and the other one is student. Okay, everything is stored in database and everything is connected. So what you're going to do is you're going to apply some joins and you're going to get the particular data. So both of you have worked on database, or you have experience in database, Santosh?
No, but I have a little bit idea on that.
Okay, so what I want you to do is just go through the database as well, because particularly in audit, right, we'll be using complex databases. So, I mean, complex SQL queries, writing them with joins and all. Okay, particularly this is more on database and also just want to go through them. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
With some blockers and all, and check that data is properly flowing or not, whether in the access ID as well, right? So where exactly is the table, I mean access ID, from where exactly is it coming? Like access ID, you saw that it's 4, written as 4. So what exactly is this for? So you will get some kind of idea. If you see the master tables, you will be getting some kind of brief idea. Okay, so if you see access control, okay, so you can see that the RFI portal is the access control. There is this user access control. This is the user which is access for. Okay, so just go through it. You'll be able to understand a little bit of more when you go through it and explore it. Okay, so first what I want you to do is go through this notice, blockers, potential concerns, confirmed issues, print. So this particular 5 sections, right, go through it. You also have this in the Confluence where you will be understanding more on that. Okay. So yesterday you went through this EBAN Kanban and all this.
I just gone through the Kanban only.
Okay. So what you can do is, okay. So since you got a bit of idea on what exactly is the Exchange homepage, you can go on to the Kanban board, blockers, notice, and potential sections. Everything is there here. Okay. The only thing is like the screenshot which are given is related to the older screenshot, but don't check this screenshot, just check on the UI itself. So this is the new one. Okay, so this is the old one. So don't refer to the screenshot, refer to the new one. But the functionality which is there inside it, everything is same. There is no change. So this list of notice and list of blockers is something which we don't have right now. Like you can see that there is no view all over here. Right? For potential concerns, we have UR. For confirmed issues, also we have UR. So we don't have UR over here. Except this functionality, everything is done. Maybe you can check from here. Okay, and so you can see that there are some Jira tickets created. Okay, so in the Jira tickets itself, right? So you can see the feature files over here. The stories itself, you can see the feature files written over here. Go through these as well. These are old, I think, old design feature files. These need to be changed, but no problem. I mean, we can go through them. You can understand better.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, I'll give you the. You have all in, right? You are able to access this here.
Yeah, this page. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Then what I want you to do is just go through this. Okay, go through the landing page as well. On the exchange, on the where there is this landing page and audit exchange, right? Go through these as well. So I will give you the password. So for this, the password is password only, no capital P.
Okay.
Okay, go through it and I will do it. I've given already, so you have these credentials in this. So from here, what you're going to take is you're going to select Exchange SIT. From the schema, you're going to select Exchange SIT and you are going to write the queries. Otherwise, if you don't take Exchange SIT, I think it will take some other schema as default and then you will not be getting problems. Nothing Sirisha is not.
Yeah, she's VPN connection.
Okay, so just go through it, okay? We can connect again later then. I'll also tell Sirisha to go through this.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Stop recording first. Okay then, just go through it and we can connect again later then. That situation is important.
Yeah, sure, Sirisha. Thank you.
Bye.